Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about me having to split this video up. My camera cut off in the middle of recording. So let me go ahead and finish it up for y'all so y'all can see how this image looks onto the polyester dish towel. I've already did a pre-press. I have my heat press set to 400. I want to press it for 45 seconds. So we're going to see how this turns out. Just get it centered as best I can on here. This washcloth looks lopsided. Okay. Take my butcher paper. It's kind of sliding because of that pillow underneath there. I'm gonna lay my butcher paper on top gently. I'm gonna press it. Close kind of slow. I don't want it to slide. Clamp it down 45 seconds, and we're gonna see how this turns out. And hopefully my colors are vibrant. That way I'll know just to get polyester material and not do the 50-50 blend. But please, y'all, leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys use. If you're using a 60-40, a 50-50, or just 100% polyester. I will be like, I need some tips. I need to know what to use to make sure my colors come out looking good and not like dull and everything else. Okay, so that was 45 seconds. It's hot. That is hot. Y'all, hold on. I'm not going to use this pillow no more. I'm going to take it off for y'all so y'all can see. See, using that pillow had like a little crease, so it missed that part. That's why I said trial and error. Trial and error. But it doesn't look bad. That black, for me, it looks like a brown almost, kind of. Maybe this is the color of the towel. But I think it looks good. It's okay. Uh-oh. You can see. It's where the damn thing printed on the other paper. But it's okay. Just a test. So, yeah. I'm going to get some white towels and try and just see. But I know you can do different color stuff, so I don't know. Maybe I need to adjust my print settings, my ink settings, or something like that. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have to adjust your ink. Just any type of tips or suggestions. Can't talk. Any suggestions you guys might have, I would truly appreciate them. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for coming back and joining me. And I will see you guys next time.